Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rob Rena, and today we're going to be swapping out a number 168 license plate bulb on the back of our 2013 Ford Escape. Materials for this job are pretty minimal. I just have a glove for handling the bulb. I have the new bulbs as well as a flathead screwdriver. So just to know what to expect, this clear plastic receptacle here pops out, and we're going to be using our flathead screwdriver to reach in and press this little tab right here. When we press that tab, the receptacle will pop out. You can touch this, no problem. There'll be some extra wire length. And then right here is where the bulb goes into the socket, and it pops out with a quarter turn. I'm going to twist the housing, quarter turn off, and there's my bulb. Now all I got to do is take my gloved hand, grab the bulb, and it should pop right out. So there's my old bulb. So real quick, once you do take these bulbs out, it's going to be important to not get the oils of your fingers on them, just like any other bulb in your car. That's why we're going to be using the gloves. Now, here we have our new bulb, nice and clean. Now take the flat of the bulb and plug it into the flat socket. You can just press it in, again using your glove on the bulb, and that's it. Now take the lamp housing receptacle, quarter turn twist it to put it back on the socket. Make sure it doesn't come off. Now take your wiring. You're going to tuck it back into the hole, push the corner of the receptacle into the hole in the hatch, and then pivot in until that tab snaps back in place. Next, make sure to test your lights. I'm going to force it into the on position here, and we verified that the new light bulb does work. So we're all good. Again, number 168 is the bulb type for our 2013 Ford Escapes. I'm going to do the other side now, but I wanted to swap both bulbs at the same time to make sure I got replacements in both sides, and we should be good to go. Links are in the description below if you'd like to grab this bulb for your Escape, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching How to Escape.